This is the best moisturizing pink lip balm you're going to see on the internet. Nobody's going to teach you this for free. They're going to tell you to pay, but I'm going to teach you for free. Okay, so this pink lips is going to leave your lips moisturized, hydrated for hours. And the good part of this is that even if you want to clean off the excess oils, or you lick it, like those of us that used to like to lick our lips and then you lick out the oils on it, your lips will still keep being hydrated over the time. And you can see how it left my lip looking soft, supple, and so beautiful. So this is me cleaning out all the oils and everything I use, and look at my lips are dry, but it still has this pink soft look. So let me show you how I got this done with little ingredients in my house. The first ingredient is Vaseline. So Vaseline is purely petroleum jelly, so you can use any brand of petroleum jelly products you have. Here I am using Vaseline, and I actually ran out, so I used my pure petroleum jelly. Okay, so any petroleum jelly you have, just use it. Once it's plain, it doesn't contain any other thing, pure petroleum jelly, right? So petroleum jelly helps in healing. If you have cracked lips, if your lip always gets dry and everything, this is going to really help your lip to heal and to always feel soft and kissable. So I used 3 tablespoons. Okay, then I melted it down with hot water. So just dip your plate into hot water, boiled hot water, right? So it's going to melt down to this particular texture. Then here I am using my pink food color. This is the normal color you use to bake cake. Okay, so it's either you use this one or use the powdered one. When you go to all those people that sell cake things, they have the powdered one. If you get that one, personally I feel that would be better. Okay, it's going to mix easily, because with this one you might have a hard time mixing it. Like I had to mix it for a while before it's mixed together, because this is somewhat water texture something, and then the Vaseline is oil, right? But it's still going to mix. You are going to see that. So add your color, add it little by little. I still added, this is not the measurement I use, so I still added. I kept on adding until I got the exact pink color I needed. Then the next thing I use is my glycerin. Now glycerin in this recipe is very important, because this is what is going to keep your lips hydrated. You know, there's a difference between moisturization and hydration. Now the Vaseline is going to keep your lips moisturized, while the glycerin is going to keep your lips hydrated. And this is our vitamin E. All right, so this whole thing is going to come together to give you that soft look. And lastly, we are going to add our honey. Go little on the honey. Okay, so you don't sleep and ants will be licking your lips, so the honey should be very little. I'm going to have the accurate measurement in the description box, so do well to check it out. So this is me just basically mixing everything together. As you keep on mixing, your Vaseline or your petroleum jelly will start, solidifying. So just keep mixing and mixing and mixing, and it's going to come together, and then the color is going to melt more into the Vaseline. So without contact with water, this product is going to last you as long as you want to have it. Okay, so you can give this a try and give me your review in the comment section. The honey and glycerin in this particular mixture helps it to really hydrate your lips, so you should give it a try.